is a score that has moved to arrive. Bonus. Take a look at the Monster Jam media board. Here we go. Just came off that back axle and popped him over again. Hey, for you Monster Jam fans that were out with us in Las Vegas last year for the Monster Jam World Finals, you saw a huge encore. That huge encore was a Max D triple backflip encore. Neil was there. All that footage and more is on the DVD set. World Finals 2013 available on DVD at the Merchandise Center on the concourse tonight. And take a look at your leaderboard. Max D right on top at 28. Only